How's the air up there? You're looking down on what I'm doing. Is it amusing? Does this seem unfair? I'm doing everything but losing. Must be ego bruising. We could be here all night. What you giving me? Unsolicited advice. Oh, but honestly, talking is exhausting. If you want, here's an option. If you got a problem with me, I can hear about it later. You can send it to my pager. Tell me what you think about me. I'll get back to you later. You be doing me a favor. Send it to my pager. Remember how you thought in September that you had future vision, mocking my decisions. You reckoned I'd be learning my lesson. Now you're begging for my attention. Good thing I never listened. Always did. We could be here all night. What you giving me? Unsolicited advice. Oh, but honestly, talking is exhausting. If you want, here's an option. If you got a problem with me, I can hear about it later. You can send it to my pager. Tell me what you think about me. I'll get back to you later. You be doing me a favor. Send it to my pager.